Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, goal setting, journaling, mental health and awareness, and my story. It's time for our private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. So grab something warm to drink, your journal, a cozy blanket, and let's journal. This month's journaling prompt is inspired by the Hanged Man in the tarot cards. This is from the traditional Rider-Waite deck. As we move forward, sometimes we find ourselves stuck and feeling like something is keeping us mere inches away from what we seek. When you find yourself in this position, remember that this is an opportunity to pause and recalculate your next move. By intentionally suspending your actions, you're leaving space to turn the situation on its head and find another point of view. What is holding you back and keeping you in a suspended state right now? How can you use this time to reflect, recalculate, and look at it from a different point of view? So let's go ahead and get into my private answer for this month's private spirituality journaling prompt. It feels like my goals are in a suspended state right now, and that workload is holding me hostage, stuck to this tree like the Hanged Man tarot card. While stuck in this tree, I've been trying to make the most of it and not wish I was doing something else. I'm trying to stay grateful for the work, my position, and flexibility. When I flip my perspective on its head, I tend to find new ideas and solutions. This pause and new vantage point has led me to a few new mantras that are keeping me on track, and the concept of working during work hours only and resting during resting time, which is where my goals time resides. Staying in the moment and knowing that I have time set aside for myself is helping me stop work on time and work on my personal goals each day. I hope that this writing prompt has helped you this month and has given you some inspiration to look at your position from a different point of view. I'd love to hear your answers to this writing prompt down below in the comments or reply to me in the email. If you like thought-provoking writing prompts, get my book, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Daily Journaling Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a visualization to help you actually see what your goals are going to look like once you've accomplished them. And if you like tarot cards and journaling, check out my book, The Daily Tarot Journal, Uncovering the Art of the One-Card Tarot Draw. It includes 3 monthly overviews, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 writing prompts, and an end-of-the-month review. Order your copies of these 2 journals today. The link is in the description. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!